morning. She's here. She's fantastic.
Thank you. And so are you.
You are a little sunshine.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey.
I just brought Rolf his shoes as a German visitor. Fantastic.
Typical German shoes.
I'm on my way to the shoe repair. We've been sitting, going through all things that needs fixing and tested and... Oh! No, get out of the way. No, get out of my way.
You get out.
So, what have you done?
I've broken my thumb.
Here we go, yeah. Oh, that or that. Oh, here. I can choose whatever I want because I'm going over there. Did you know that shoes have a best before date? Well, apparently they do. This looks absolutely okay until he sort of went on stage. And then just imploded. Here we have Martin in his costume. Feeling fancy?
Feeling fancy, feeling frisky.
It's lunch and lists. Lists and lunch.
Did you know that all the national anthems are in the same genre?
You want to tell the joke again because I thought you were finished, but say it again.
Do you know that all the national anthems are in the same genre? You see, it's country music.
So there's a dog mask in the shawl, and I am now acting as a model for the sound technician because we're not quite sure if we can actually wear it and sing at the simultaneous time. Oh, this is Jenny's reaction. I'll now go back to the shoemaker because there's some other things need to be fitted. You know, an elevator and I'm standing here. I'm in an elevator and I'm standing here. Do. I'm in an elevator and I'm standing here. I'm in an elevator and I'm standing here. Doom. My, I'm standing here in an elevator and waiting till I get to the floor I'm supposed to be. I think I'm there. Goodbye. Now I'm on my way to the shoe repairman because I was, I had things to do, things to fit. I met people and I said, you want to try this now? And they did. So I didn't go, And ladies and gentlemen, here he is. The man, the myth, the legend, the fantastic... People, I give you a glimpse of Stockholm in the summertime. In the summertime and in Stockholm. I'm really singing today. I'm so thankful. Thank you for the music. And look. Yes, that's two men. You know what you call someone who never learns? I thought he had lunch at 3 o'clock. No, it's 2 o'clock, so I'll definitely be coming back. Someone has done a fantastic job up in the attic collecting shoes. What are they?
They are 45s and 46s for a funeral.
Lists. So, the light in one of the actors' dressing room does not work. Well, one does, but one does not. So we don't know what to do. We might have to cancel this whole thing. We're not sure. I've been sort of looking for something, but nothing really works. So remember the shoes when I was, some clips ago. Yeah. Wait. Yes, now he's back. The shoe repairman person. That went terrifically. Now I'm back to the theatre to shorten the sleeves of a shirt. Here we got Ali, who's really bad at dialects.
No!
Okay, skånska.
skånska.
Say something.
Vad?
Well, something in Scottish. Something Scottish. Like you should.
Nej. Nu ringer teaterchefen.
Who's a gorgeous boy? Who's a gorgeous boy? Oh. They're rehearsing a big number on stage, and I want to see it from the auditorium. Behind me, people are rehearsing, but you will not see any of it because I won't show you. What I will show you is Sabina sitting here doing important work. So Gustav is having the time of his life. This is the best show I've ever seen.
Mesdames et messieurs, Ibla. Ja, jag har bott i den här byn i 76 år och jag har alltid tänkt att jag har tur.
By the way, it's time to go home, but I'm making coffee because I won't survive a bike ride without a cup of coffee. I am perched. No, not perched. What's the word I'm looking for? Peeved. No. Are you done for the day?
Yeah.
Have you given it all?
I gave my heart, I gave my passion, I gave my fucking life on the stage. And it was beautiful. It was
And you lost your heart where?
Yeah. Everybody loved it.
Yeah.
Me too, actually. Yeah. That's how I work.
Yeah, you're fantastic.
I please myself.
Yes.
That's what I do.
Everyone loves you. You're great and in every way.
Everybody.
Yeah, exactly.
Adore you.
That's, you know, what can I say? What can I say? You see.
Yes.
You see.
She's a fan, obviously.
She's a star and a fan.
Yeah.
You know. That's how I work.
Yeah, a star fan. See you. Peace out. Oh, look at that man. Look at him walk. Oh my God, he's 3 meters tall. David, you're not using a corset because you're just because you're vain, right?
No, it's only because I'm vain.
Yeah?
Yes,
So you're like Scarlett O'Hara.
exactly.
How many inches? Around your waist, I mean. Now it's time to go home. Goodbye. You know something? The air in my room is so bad. I need to get out and just walk around the block. At least once. I've been to the shoe repair man twice today, so I should have gotten some fresh air, but still now. Just now, when I was walking out the door, I was sort of like, oh, I'm dying, and I'm sort of like, oh, I'm not dying. I just needed fresh air. A breath of fresh air. A change by and by. People, here's my vegan lunch. No, vegan dinner, damn it. Vegan sausages and French fries, all made in my air fryer. Also, cucumber. This is an enormous cucumber with my favorite spice, Tajín. Tajín and cucumber, lovely. Bon appetitio. Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so